Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is Vibes, and the Shopify store that just cares of your vibes, that just provides you the sound that just fulfill your desires and gives you a complete vibe to hear the sound as you feel you are listening this sound live. Webtoon has just known to be a new dimension in sound industry and just getting the sound in the new property. A new dimension in sound. Webtoon was founded by three passionate audiophiles driving to create products that produce crisp, quality sounds, allowing you to feel the music and immerse yourself in it. Their primary aim is to introduce the people to the next generation of premium audio technology, whether it's their crystal clear headphones or their stunning speakers. They are driving to stay at the forefront of new technologies, ensuring their products exceed the expectations of their listeners. They are passionate about connecting people with music through an immersive audio experience. The passion runs throughout the company, right from the products all the way through to their customer service team. They are here, here to provide you with the next generation experience. If you talk about the true wireless earbuds, they have a true wireless earbuds give you the freedom to move around and enjoy your day with just the sound of your own voice. They have simplified the earphone market by providing a superior wireless listening experience with more power, efficiency, and a smaller size than previous wireless headphones. The latest technology makes them a more affordable and accessible option than previous wireless earbuds that sacrifice sound quality in exchange for wireless freedom. Explore your collection of true wireless earbuds and find your favorite one. Kindly share our video with your friends. See you in the next video.